Thank you for joining today's topics. Our topic is homework should be banned. Yeah.
Yes.
So before proceeding further, I would like to know who's there.
Uttaran Pashanko.
Absakarim Purbo.
Namir Ranil.
So what's your position? Are you in favor of homework or
No.
against of
We
homework?
think homework shouldn't be banned.
Yes, homework shouldn't be
And
banned.
we think homework
It should be banned,
Okay,
yeah.
So what's to go first?
I think they should go first.
because
Yeah,
they are
we don't
in
have
favor of
issues.
the position.
Okay, my friend, have you ever been curious that who invented homework and why did he invented homework? Well, if you do a little online search, if you do a quick online search, then you will find out that Roberto Nevilis, a guy named Roberto Nevilis, who was a teacher in Venice, Italy, invented homework in 1905. Well, you may ask why. Well, he actually invented homework to punish his students who didn't like was attentive to his class. So, my friend, homework was invented as a punishment, but now it has been made mandatory, and we're still forced to serve this punishment known as homework, even though we didn't do anything. So, do you think we should be forced to serve a punishment like that?
Okay, I want to say that homework used to be a punishment,
Yeah.
but not now. You talk about right now, 2024. Now, what are the effects of it? Now, let me tell you. Homework, like for example, we read our lesson or a topic in our schools. After that, they give us homework to write the questions or do other
Yeah.
things. That time, when we do, we can show our creativity and also do different things. And also, sometimes the parents puts blames on some of them that they don't study, and homework can show them that how their children is studying their education and etc.
Well,
but
my
actually that is like a kind of a fake education, like you are like what you are doing
No,
homework.
homework do means like the work we have to do in home.
But some of the time like teachers give out homework that are very easy and they take most time, but they are easy and you don't learn anything from them, like some of the time.
Okay, but let me just say, homework was meant to have revise things that we have learned in school. It is not meant to learn new things. It is just a revision of the new things that
Yeah.
we have
But
learned.
there are-
And also, it also helps us review, and it also helps us to give feedback.
Well-
Yeah.
More and more also have.
Okay.
If we do homework, we could
Okay.
always be like, we
Okay,
could have,
okay.
wait. We could have like a maintained routine of doing things, learning new things. Apart from the homework, if we study homework, we will encourage ourselves to like learn new things. We will definitely be curious. So if I can learn this, why can't I learn the thing? And if we were doing homework, at least one student has like some weakness in that thing. It may be me. So if I'm having weakness in that thing, and if I have like homework, then I definitely can get like some help from my parents, or even I can focus on that specified topic that I have to learn this, and this will remove from my weakness. So like this cannot be my weakness anymore. So it's definitely better to have homeworks because it helps in our weak spots.
Well, there are many things I want to say, but for starters, I want to say that you say that our parents can help us in homework, but actually, many of our parents both of them work in a job or something like that, so
Listen,
they
listen,
don't be able to like help us. And also, secondly, you say that we might be able to revise our topics as like in the homework, and we can also like clearing doubts with the teacher. Well, my friend, there are revision classes in school, and if we get any like doubt, we can like clear it in the spot. We can just raise our hand and ask the teacher to clear the doubt. And also,
Okay.
don't you think that the work should be done in school rather than home? Did you know that the president of Ireland told RTTV, a media of Ireland, that the work in school should be done in school, and children should rather spend their time in home doing creative things. And also, he took a step further. He actually banned homework in Ireland. If you believe it or not, he banned
I have
homework in
heard it.
Ireland in 2023, January 21st.
I
So
have heard
if
it.
if the president of the land of saints and scholars think that homework should be banned, then shouldn't it be safe to say that homework should be banned?
Okay, so let me go one by one again.
Okay.
Okay, so first of all, you said that that parents help us. I was about to say it, but then I
Yeah.
cancelled it and I said ourselves we can clear our doubts by thinking it over and over again. Next, you said about like the work that we can ask teacher and raise our hand. Like almost every single of us may have like one doubt in like different things. So do you think every period will get like that much amount of time to answer? Let's say this is a small amount, like 15 students. If 15 students have a doubt, then do you think like teachers can teach like problem or like solve their problems, all of them about one period? Maximum in our country, the rule is like every period should be 40 minutes. So if we have to clear
Okay.
our doubts plus learn new things, do you think it will be ever possible in 40 minutes? And for clearing our doubts, if you even talk about the extra time that we will ask our teachers to give us, if all of us ask that, then a teacher would be definitely out of patience and definitely may scold us. And then you said about that the homework should be banned and it has a lot of negative effect. Okay, some homework assignments also give new topics that make your own thing about your own life or your own daily routine, which can technically give you an advantage in creativity. And like what I can say, especially in about the class 6, 7, and 8 nowadays have assignments about your own creativity that you have to tell about your own things, and this can also help you in your creativity. And lastly, you said that the time should be spent in like school and like the time of our home should be spent us enjoying and increasing our creativity. Okay, so if we are reading like any type of storybooks, there's like what I can say, not much things that will interest us. Maybe you'll have a different role that everything will interest you, okay. But like at the same time, if you are like having your own creativity that will be actually needed for some use, like very recently, that will be more helpful to you than having the things that you'll learn today you use in the future, as you will have not like the idea that you currently have to be like the idea you will have in the future. You'll not remember like 100%. So I think it's better to have homework than banning homework.
Acha, my friend, first of all, you told us about that we could not like talk to our teacher in the 40-minute time, but we can always call our teacher and we can meet them in the tiffin time, right?
Or like, wait, 1 second, wait.
If you stay in class, I think it's possible.
Yeah.
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 Yes, we are
So
normal there,
if you are
don't
not
we?
active in the class, then it will take 40, not only 40 minutes, it can take 40 hours also.
But
Yes,
also,
I know.
The thing is that you need to be attentive in the class.
Yes, I know, but even the smart students may have one or two problems. And he was about to say, like, we have a repentance, like tiffin time, or we can call our teachers. I literally said that if, like, all of the students may have one problem, I'm just saying may. If they all call at the teacher, even in different times, the teacher may have, like, a possible chance to be fed up and, like, not answering anymore, and also from, like, blocking you, because the teacher also has a patience as he or she is teaching you regularly, and they have to
Okay.
they have to deal with you every day.
But the problem is, my friend, like, why is he gonna specifically block you? Are you calling her like every 10 minutes or so?
Let me just say it again.
No.
So if like
Also,
10 of you,
sometimes the teacher might be busy in some their works. Like as I saw, I do coaching in a school. As I saw, they have to write so many things in their notebook, and there is a notebook given for them which they have to write. And also, we don't need to ask in the teacher in the school. Sometimes we can also solve the problem by ourselves, so we can be more creativity on that. And also, if you do homework, then you will be always busy in something. Like now the children are bored like in every work, as you see now. And also you will see that the when children are also addicted to the devices like mobile phone, computer, and to remove that to the solution is to you have to do homeworks and different things.
Well, my friend, you just say that in a class or in a period, many students will have questions and the teacher will not be able to answer all the questions in 40 minutes, right? Well, actually, if you have questions about a specific topic, if, for example, 60 students have questions on a specific topic, most of them will have the same question, so they won't like have many questions. I mean, how many questions will you find in a topic? So when one question, I mean, when one student will ask a teacher, so many other students doubt will also be clarified. And also the teacher can also like teach the subject, I mean teach the topic in one class and tell the students to like read it, I mean read it properly and to like find out all the questions he have. I mean, no writing job, just to like read it properly, and next day he will just, I mean he or she will just clarify the doubts. And also, if you can't call your teacher, you can also email him, so in that way the teacher will not be like disturbed. And also the teacher can also like tell the students to call from 8 p.m. to maybe 9 p.m, so the students will not like, I mean like not disturb him in a time when he or she is busy. So I don't see any problem in clarifying doubts by
So
via
let me
phone.
just say one thing. So you were talking about 60 students having the same problem. So in like one question, you can
Is
have
it
a,
possible that 16 students have the same problem?
yes, and in one question, I remember in one question there can be what, how, in which way, why, and how does that work? Why
But you
does
can,
that
like,
work?
ask it
I
in
remember
class
that.
and
Can I
everybody
say
will know.
one thing?
Like,
This is
if-
about homework should be banned, not about the asking teachers.
Yeah,
But
that is
how much
definitely
time-
I
true.
think that
But
do you exercise regularly or do you play games in the afternoon?
No, okay, so
Why no? Because you have so many
That's
Right.
homework, you
Like-
have to do it.
yes,
Like
but let us
homework is a burden on our chest. Like on vacations, we want to go to many places like eat vacation, etc. But for homeworks of many subjects, like I think there are currently 10 subjects in high school. Then you cannot like
School
do
provides so
Yeah.
many assignments.
so many assignments.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
on.
and and also homework actually, as it has been mentioned already, it also takes away our time to exercise or do something fun or play indoor or outdoor games. And also you see, when a student have many like, what can I say, private tuitions, or he has to join many like coaching classes, they also give, I mean those classes also give homework. So the student have school's homework, his private tutors homework, and also the coaching's homework. So the student will be forced to do it overnight or by like staying up, I mean staying up overnight. And also this can cause fatigue, lethargy, and drowsiness.
Anxiety.
Yeah, and also in worst cases it can also cause insomnia. I mean, insomnia is a sleeping disorder which
I
does
know
not allow you to sleep. I mean, you should know that.
I obviously know that.
If you have homework and you do it regularly, you will be master on this topic.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
well,
you can
but
also be prepared for the upcoming
Okay.
lesson.
Okay.
And if we don't have homework, as my friend already said, but I'm repeating in like a broad way. If we don't have homework,
Yeah,
we will
yeah.
definitely get lazy. And
okay,
if we get lazy, we might even use some devices to
Okay.
cheer us up.
And
If
later
we
on
use
we'll
the
be
addicted, and if we are addicted, then we won't be attentive in class, and we will always think about that. And if we are not attentive in class, then we will not understand the topic. And then if we not understand the topic, then we will again ask the teacher. So the entire thing that we have been talking through the thing, if we don't have homework, all of them can happen. See, like one by one. It may be slow, but it will definitely work. So instead of talking all this thing, I just wanted to say it in like one point. That like we will definitely get lazy, to addictive, to not
Okay.
focusing on class,
yeah.
and then having doubts about specific topics.
But my friend, like when you study a topic on your school, you always have to revise it at home. Like tell me once, like you understood a topic on school and didn't have to revise it on home.
Okay, so
that's
if
why
we
this homework is given for
And-
to revise.
But you can like
Okay.
individually revise it. You do not have to write it. You
Yeah,
can write
but
it
if
later
you,
as
if you
note.
write it,
Okay.
your teacher will be happy, and there will be extra thing
Okay.
and you will be memorize it forever.
But you can also write it as note in your free time.
yeah,
Okay.
but why can't you write that? It will be better for you. Otherwise, in some days it could be forgotten. It could be forgotten.
Okay.
That one.
Okay, my friends, that you can say that if we like do it like, what can I say? If we like do it properly, we will be able to master the homework in a day, right? Well, for example, like take me as an example. If I go to school at 7 a.m. in morning and come back at 3 p.m. Oh no, 2 p.m. then, and if I have a private tuition or any coaching session at 4 to 6 p.m. and many parents force their student to like go to coachings at least 3 to 4 coachings, so you won't have time. The time at your home will have to up to 3 to 4 hours, and eating, and at least eating will take at least 1 hour away. So will you be able to like complete all of the homeworks in 3 hours? And also you just said that we can you just said that we can actually cope up with it, and also the students can like revise in their free time, right?
No, okay. So revising in our free time, your teammate said that.
Yeah. And
If we're revising in our free time,
yeah,
that's basically making up homeworks
Yeah, yeah.
on our own.
yeah,
So if we're making up our works in
Okay.
our own and we're making it in our home, doesn't it count technically as homework?
yeah. Well, you
Because we are doing the work
Okay.
at our home, I'm just
Yeah.
saying that.
well you
So if my teammate is talking about revising at home, it technically counts as him saying that we have to do homework at
Yeah.
our home.
and also you said that we might get bored and get addicted at technologies.
No. I didn't say
Yeah, you
that.
said
Just
that.
listen. Just listen.
You
Yeah,
said
but wait,
that.
my moderator.
okay, now-
I'm saying if we are be bored, we
Yeah,
always have the chance. I'm not saying a guaranteed, because all person may be different. But even the chance maybe, is it worth risking your entire life? Obviously no. So if we are risking our chance that we will be we go to device, then we'll be addicted to it at least to 90.
yeah. Well,
Yeah, we may be about 90% of the
Well-
90% of the cases the same thing occurs.
well,
What's bro?
Okay, so
well, if you're bored, you can like do like play indoor or outdoor games, or even you can do it like doing something creative. For example, you can learn a foreign language as English or Spanish, and also you can use technology. There's an app called Duolingo. You will know it, right? You can learn a foreign language by it. And also, even if you think in your free time, you will be also, by thinking it, you might be able to discover some new things that has never been discovered yet.
like playing,
Yeah.
Yes, but no, I just said about
Yeah, and also you can
my
like,
friend. Just listen. You're saying about all the things we can do. I literally said that there is a chance, there's a possible chance, and I literally asked you, is it worth risking your entire future? I just said,
Yeah. Well, but the chances.
So we're about to finish. So what is the conclusion? The conclusion is homework is okay, but
But we need to
in
listen.
our country, what is happening here? That some schools or some teachers impose the homework.
Yeah.
And they follow these rules strictly. Even it is also happened that some teachers don't explain the topics in
Yeah.
class. They just give you a homework that you
You
have,
have
to
to write
Yeah.
this.
5
Yeah.
to 10 pages.
And also sometimes the
So this
teachers
is
do the easy ones and give us the hard
Yeah,
ones.
and also some parents force their kids to like join many tuitions, and actually like
and
call
also,
to the complain to the
many
teacher.
parents will ask that,
Yeah.
have you done your homework?
Yeah.
But that's
That-
the
that-
minority.
that-
That's the minority.
Sometimes
No,
the
no.
homework may cause the conflict about
Yeah.
the family.
Sir,
Thank you.
sir, I have a suggestion. I think we should like,
homework.
we should have homework up to like class 5, but after grade 5, I think we should make it like optional or banned, because when you are like joining college, you will have many tutors. You will have to, it is forceful, so you won't be able to cope up with many assignments. So I think it should be made optional after grade 5.
Yeah, that's true.
Thank you for joining.
Bilingual Learning Center, BLC, Bogura.